along and see how to make this fast and easy homemade chicken salad with things that you probably have in your pantry. I'm going to be using a pint of canned chicken, a pint of squash relish that we made in 2020. It has peppers and onions in it and yellow summer squash. We're going to be using some real mayonnaise and some homegrown dried dill. Let's throw these things together real quick. If you don't have home canned relish, feel free to use any kind of relish from the grocery store or wherever. This is like a bread and butter type pickled relish. And you can use store-bought chicken, tuna, or salmon to make this. This is some seasoned chicken that I have canned and is shelf stable. I'm adding in probably 3/4 of the pint jar of this relish. You can do it to your liking. Add in the dill, again, to your preference. We like dill here, so I'm adding quite a bit. Maybe a tablespoon or two I've added. Next is the mayonnaise. I would say 3/4 to 1 cup of mayonnaise I'm adding here. I make tuna salad or salmon salad the exact same way I'm showing you here. There's that 3/4 jar of that relish. This was a new jar of mayonnaise that I opened. The whole pint of chicken. And to go with our chicken salad sandwich, we're going to have some zucchini pickles that we preserved in 2020. We're using up these pickled beets from 2014. They are still good. We like to eat our chicken salad on toasted sprouted grain bread. I'm adding a light layer of butter here. Add on your chicken salad. The butter's optional, it's just something we like to do. But making a fast meal is something very easy from things that we all likely have in our pantry. Makes for a healthy, nutritious, quick and easy bite to eat. Doesn't that look good? Mostly all homegrown. Thanks for watching. You guys take care.